Gold is presenting with a very nice setup right here, which is giving us about 600 pips target and 19 pips stop loss, which accounts about 1 to 32 risk reward ratio. All right, so make sure you watch to the very end as I break down everything I'm seeing in this particular trade right here. All right, let's get started right now. So you can see that right now we have a nice rally based drop supply zone with a QML right here, and then this low was broken right here by these big momentum candles. Apart from that, we saw the market leaving behind equal highs right here, and now you can see that this market actually came and took out this liquidity right there. But you can see that the market didn't quite touch into our area, and we are seeing it reverse right here. So what I'm looking for right now is for it to come and touch somewhere here, push back into this area before we can see that nice drop right there. All right, so for the order block, I had to go all the way to the lower time frame in order for me to be able to identify my order block. It's very important that you do your multiple time frame analysis so that you can get those nice entries right there. So you can see that right there, I had to go to the 3 minutes time frame and got the high and the low of that last candle right there. And right now, all I'm doing is just waiting. So let's go to the higher time frame and see what is happening with gold right here. Of course, we know that this market has been pushing to the upside. It's very evident, but something interesting is happening right now. So you can see that the market actually created the first high. Let me just show you the highest high, which was above here, and since then the market has failed to actually take out that high right there. That's on the daily time frame. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame so that we can actually appreciate it even more. So the highest high that was created was that level right there, and the lowest low which was created was this level right here. And you can see that from the time that high was created, the market gave us a low, right? And then if this market is going to continue to go to the upside, this leg right here was supposed to come and take out this high to show that the market is continuing to push in a bullish scenario. Okay, and what happened? The market barely came to this area. Once it reached somewhere this level right here, the market dropped, giving us this low right there. However, again, this low was not strong enough to come and break this low right here, again to signify change of market direction. But you can see that this was made up of very big momentum candles right here, which is really interesting. So if you drop further like to the 1 hour time frame, let's see what is happening right there. You can see that this was formed by very big momentum candles right here. So you can see that we had that nice rally based drop supply zone and everything. And this was made by big momentum candles, which is always interesting. Whenever I see big candles like this, I always want to see to the lower time frame and see what happens, because most of the times there are unfulfilled orders which are left behind right here, and price usually retraces back to that particular area, taps into that area before actually dropping to the downside with big momentum candles. It's basically the concept of what we call the price cycle, where we have a consolidation, break out of that consolidation with big momentum candles, which is expansion, and then we have a retracement. And after retracement, then we usually have a reversal. So right now, price just took out these highs right here. So according to what I want to see right now, I want to see how the market is going to react right here. I want to see the market actually pulling back into this area. I hope this happens after the Asian session so that we'll be able to participate, we'll be able to see what happens right here, because I'm really interested to see what happens right here. And once the market pulls back into this area, in accordance with my order block, I'll be interested in actually selling right here. You can see that this is a potential 1 to 32 risk reward ratio with a 19 pips stop loss and a 600 pips target. So for my stop loss that's going to be just above that high right there. If the market gives me confirmation, I'll be able to execute. And for my target, I'm targeting just these lows right here. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm looking for right now. If that doesn't happen, I'm not going to actually get into this particular trade. I'm going to wait until I see the market actually pulling back into this area. And if it does, that happens, then I'll be interested to actually taking sales into this particular trade right here. And like always, all these setups have already been shared in our private community. like this God's focus has already been shared. And yeah, so if you're interested in that, first link in the description will give you access to that. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm looking at right here, and my views on this nice trade. It looks really nice, spot on textbook setup. So let's see what happens right here. Right now it's around 23 hours, and the Asian session will begin very soon. So let's see what happens. I hope the market doesn't just go all the way and take out this. And yeah, we're actually going to react according to how the market responds. But otherwise, those are my intentions when it comes to this trade right here. Otherwise, this trade actually meets my criteria, and it actually an A plus setup because it meets all my criteria right here. All right, you guys. So yeah, make sure you set your alerts, and let's see how price reacts when it comes to this level right there. All right, you guys, I hope you find value in this video. If you have, remember, subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and let me know if you're finding value in such videos. And if you're not, kindly let me know what kind of videos you'd like me to be actually producing so that we stay in this game together. All right, you guys, until next time, goodbye.